So today's video features the Window Combi cleaning window screens. So our squeegee very easily just pops right off. This push button, you just push that button, which releases the squeegee. And then I'm just going over here to my screen here, and I'm just going to show you basically just the same as how you would clean the screens. I don't know if you can see, I think you can see it. This is quite a dirty screen because it is our front door screen. So the dust and the dirt is being pushed out of the screen, and it is also being collected in the fiber. So you can do it this way as well. So basically that is all there is to cleaning your window screens with the Window Combi. And of course, I wet my fiber before we got started, and you may need to add water as you go. Okay, that's it.